All right, so there's a lot going on. Give me a minute here real quick. There's obviously somewhat of an echo in this room, so I've got the windows open trying to help with a little bit of that, but bear with me. This is a brand new house. I'm honestly at one of the best points in my life ever. Give me a minute and then we're gonna get into these shoes. I just wanna update you guys. For one, your boy got married. Last Saturday, so 5 days ago, I got married to my dream girl, my wife. The planning for that has taken a lot of time. And we're gonna talk more about that in future videos. And then secondly, what about the clothing drops? Where have those been? This is a brand new sweatshirt. I gave this to my groomsmen in my wedding. It's a brand new drop just for them, something exclusive. They're big fans of the brand, but usually I have at least 2 or 3 drops already to start the year, and we're into the summer and there's been nothing. That is because I have one of the biggest projects of my life, a collaborative project on the way, and that has been taking all of my focus. It's incredible. All of my energy has been going there. Some of the best designs and work you're ever gonna see from the Win brand, you'll see shortly. And I'll talk about that when I can. I don't even have a chair in here. My knees are killing me. And then lastly, I bought a new house. Nothing is here yet. I just grabbed some things from my other house, brought stuff here, and I'm gonna mosey on in. I'm starting a closet completely over, starting from scratch, and there'll be another video where I discuss that. And sorry if you're just here for the sneakers and you're like, dude, get into the kicks. I rarely talk about myself on this channel, so I'm just updating the people that have been following for a while. But anyway, there have been so many packages that I just have pushed to the side, and I gotta unbox all of them, and part of that is gonna be in that closet video that you're gonna see soon. Okay, so let's unbox these real quick. This is a sneaker that I've been wanting to pick up. I've been meaning to. I was just waiting for the right colorway. So I was lucky enough to find my size. I think that these might still be available. I'll try to link them down in the description if I can. I doubt that they're reselling for much. I have not seen these shoes in person before, so I'm kind of jumping the gun a little bit, saying that these are gonna be a sleeper, but I think they are. Okay. Black Nike box here. Ooh, these are good. These are good. We've got the Nike Jordan Airship PE Tech Gray. Yep. If you have a pair of these, comment down below if you've had a similar reaction as I have, where I am just super impressed. Nice soft leather. I feel like some of the other Airships have had a little bit of a sheen to them. They almost have a coating, and sometimes I look at that like I just know that that's not going to be comfortable. If you have any of those, please comment down below. Let me know if that is the case or not. But this is just buttery soft leather. It looks like nice premium stuff. The Tech Gray on here. It says Gunsmoke on the box, but I believe that that is that darker gray that's on the outsole. It has that nice furry, hairy suede right there, which I believe is the Tech Gray. Now, why would these be a sleeper? Aside from the history, which you got this card right here, I love that Jordan brand is including this with the sneakers. The tech specs, all of that. You know, I'm not the history guy that's gonna explain everything behind this shoe of how it came to be. I'm the one that appreciates it on feet. I'm the one that immediately looks at it and is like, okay, how am I gonna style those? Am I gonna wear them often? And the answer is yes. So what about these makes them a sleeper? I'm not sure. Maybe they're just too minimal. People were not really praising this the way that I've seen, you know, other sneakers praised, like the washed black Air Jordan 1 released at the same time. I'm liking these a little bit better. I do enjoy that pair, and maybe I'll get them if they go under retail or something, but this pair right here is different, and I just want something like this for the closet that I'm building right now, where I'm starting from scratch. I'm in a new home and I just need something wearable that I can rely on, that's gonna go with a lot of different outfits, and these are them right here. So let me know if you guys grabbed a pair of these. Do you think that they are a sleeper in fact? So I'm gonna lace these up real quick, get them on feet, and then the video is gonna be over. Real quick, I just threw these on feet for the first time, and I went up to a size 12. My normal size is an 11.5, and I'm pretty happy that I did that. I think that there's a little extra room. It might be one of those things where if you're going for a pair and they only have your true size, it'll be fine. But more importantly, I must say that the insoles in here, I don't think I've seen in any other Jordans. They are cushiony. And I just threw these on feet right now. This isn't necessarily how I would style them, but they do work. They work. This is the type of shoe that you can throw on with anything. I'd probably rock these with pants first, but they can work with shorts, in my opinion, as well. Make sure you subscribe if you're new around here. And again, sorry about this echo, and I wanted to put this video out there, keep you guys updated, and let you know what's on the way. That's a wrap for me though. Enjoy. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.